So do you know what all these settings are on your camera? Do you think maybe that they've got something to do with why you're not taking the photos you thought you'd be taking on your nice new big camera? Camera confidence is everything. Here's the steps I'm going to take you through in this video. First, what to do if your camera is new, straight out of the box. Then the basic settings, if you've flicked it onto auto and never looked at your settings or your user guide. And lastly, what steps to take next, and some bonus tips and info and links to the free PDF guide and video download. So let's get started. Just out of the box, charge the camera battery fully and then plan on buying a spare battery if you don't already have one. There is nothing worse than being stuck with one flat battery. Put your lenses on in a dust-free space and make sure you keep the end caps. You'll need them from time to time. And don't leave the camera and lens insides exposed ever. Make sure your lens is set to autofocus. You'll rarely need to use it on manual. Attach the strap. It's for safety and security. If you don't have one, buy one. Insert the memory card and format it. Unless you have images already on the card that you need to keep. If so, download the images to your computer first and then format the card. Formatting erases everything on the card, so be warned. If you have an iFi card, make sure you install the software first and then format it. Important basic settings. Set the camera date and time. This is important for correct metadata and handy for photo management and finding your pictures on your computer easily. Decide whether you want to preview your images after you take each shot or not. Do you really need to see a preview after every photo you take? Maybe you do, maybe you don't. Choose your image type, size and quality. Remember, you can always reduce the size of an image on the computer later, but you can never make it bigger. If you have no idea what to do here, just join our Facebook group and reach out. I can help you choose the best settings for your needs. Adjust the viewfinder dioptric to make sure that everything looks tack sharp. It's great if you normally need to wear glasses, like I do. Exposure modes. So start on auto if you need to, then try some scene modes and program mode, and aim to end up using aperture and shutter priority modes with confidence down the track. Don't lose that scary user guide. It will come in handy from time to time. If you don't have a hard copy, you'll find a digital version that you can download online. I keep mine in my camera bag and a PDF version on my iPad. You're done. Go out and have some fun, and don't forget to join the Facebook group too. So download the PDF for the next steps and the bonus tips and tricks. Once you're confident with your basic camera setup, I walk you through the advanced settings that you'll need to take your photography to the next level. I also show you how to check and test your camera's capabilities. When you're ready to get off auto, I show you how to do it with confidence by taking 5 simple steps. And lastly, if you really love photography, I have a list of handy-to-have accessories and links to more info. So set your camera up the right way first and fast. Download the user guide and I will show you how to set your camera up properly quickly just to get going, and we'll give you a few bonus tips and tricks along the way to start taking better photos.